폭주한 헐크를 멈출 수 있는 건 헐크밖에 없었다.
Alright, everybody, stand down. You listen to me? That little witch is messing with your mind. You're stronger than her. You're smarter than her. You're Bruce Banner. Right. Don't mention puny Banner. Okay. In the back? Dick move, Banner. Veronica, give me a hand.
토니가 준비한 비밀 카드. 바로 헐크버스터. 이 장면 너무 웃겨.
Go to sleep, go to sleep, go to sleep. Okay, pal, we're gonna get you out of town. Not that way, not that way. Come on, Bruce, you gotta work with me. Everybody out. Going down. I'm sorry. Damage report. That's comprehensive. Show me something. How quickly can we buy this building?